Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Grinstead, author of the book Freedom from Suffering, A Journey of Hope, and someone who's been living and thriving with my own chronic pain for over 30 years. Today, I want to talk about hypnosis. Now, unfortunately, a lot of times when people hear about hypnosis, they think back to movies or carnivals where somebody was hypnotizing somebody to act like a duck or a chicken or whatever. That isn't what I'm talking about. The use of hypnosis is a very powerful tool in pain management. One of the things I've been using since 1988 is self-hypnosis. I found a company, Potentials Unlimited, back in 1988, who were producing cassettes. On one side of the cassette was a self-hypnosis or talking side where Barry, the hypnotist, would take people through a process of relaxation and then get them into hypnotic trances and focus on the topic of that particular cassette. Today, of course, they come in MP3s and CDs. I've been using these both personally and professionally, again, since 1988, and started using them in a hospital I was working for back in 1988 with the pain patients. Many of the pain patients, when they checked in, I would do an assessment, I would do an evaluation, I would find out which of the topics I believed and they believed would be most helpful. We would issue them and get a down payment. We would issue them a cassette player with that cassette, and at the end of treatment, they could turn it in and get their money back, or they could just take the product. In a 4-year period, I never had one patient want their money back. I've also been using them personally, especially titles like stress and anxiety relief, relaxation, pain relief, and most recently, the new one I've been using is migraine relief. As a matter of fact, yesterday I met with a pain patient who I met with a few weeks earlier, and I gave her a relieving stress and anxiety CD to test and see how it worked for her. One of the things she noticed was not only did it help her with her anxiety symptoms, but it also reduced her pain symptoms. And this was very exciting for her. I have seen this happen over and over and over again during the years. I know personally for me, it's helped me when I have trouble falling asleep, when I have a pain flare-up and I can't get comfortable. It has 2 tracks. It has the self-hypnotic or talking track, to where Barry, the hypnotist, takes you into a hypnotic trance. And they have a second track, which is a subliminal track with the reinforcing messages under the surface of music and/or environmental sounds. These products work best when people use them once or twice a day for at least 30 days. I'm a firm believer in this product, and it can be relatively inexpensive for people. You know, many people who can't afford to go to a hypnotist on a regular basis can make an initial investment under $20 and get a product that they can use ongoing. I really want to encourage people to check out the link at the website for Potentials Unlimited. If you're watching this on YouTube, there's a link below the video. Check out the site. They have many, many titles. Again, some of the common ones I use are pain relief, relieving back pain, relaxation, relieving stress and anxiety, up from depression, migraine relief. One for people who have trouble stopping smoking is titled Stop Smoking. There's a lot of different product titles available. I believe that this can be a big part for pain patients finding freedom from suffering. And I believe that freedom from suffering is everyone's right. However, it's also a responsibility. I encourage people to give this a try. Use self-hypnosis every day, once or twice a day for at least 30 days, and see what happens. The only thing you have to lose is your suffering. Thank you.